क्या ये बातें याद आएंगी तुम्हें? विल यू रिमेंबर दीज वर्ड्स? विल यू रिमेंबर दीज वर्ड्स? वो मोबाइल से क्या देख रहा है? What is he watching on mobile? What is he watching on mobile? उसने देखने की कोशिश नहीं की. He didn't try to see. He didn't try to see. उसने मेरे लिए कभी कुछ किया? Did he ever do anything for me? Did he ever do anything for me? उसने कुछ नहीं किया. He did nothing. He did nothing. Or you can say, he didn't do anything. He didn't do anything. उसने गलती की है. He has made a mistake. He has made a mistake. क्या तुम मुझे याद दिलाओगे? Will you remind me? Will you remind me? तुम्हारा चेहरा मुझे किसी की याद दिलाता है. Your face reminds me of someone. Your face reminds me of someone. ये काम किसने किया? Who did this work? Who did this work? तुमने मेरा दिल दुखाया है. You have hurt me. You have hurt me. तुम कब तक यहाँ ठहरोगे? For how long will you stay here? For how long will you stay here? वो घर से नहीं आया है. He has not come from home. He has not come from home. मैं किसके बारे में सोचता हूँ? Whom do I think about? Whom do I think about? हम वहाँ गए थे. We had gone there. We had gone there. मैं अक्सर उसके घर जाता हूँ. I often go to his home. I often go to his home. उसने उस आदमी को जान से मार दिया. He killed that man. He killed that man. मेरा दोस्त कौन सी कार चला रहा है? Which car is my friend driving? Which car is my friend driving? हम बहुत देर तक सोते हैं. We sleep till late. We sleep till late. तुम बहुत तेज दौड़ रहे थे. You were running very fast. You were running very fast. कौन जाएगा? Who will go? Who will go? ये टूटा हुआ दिल कुछ कह रहा है. This broken heart is saying something. This broken heart is saying something. हम राम को बिल्कुल नहीं जानते. We don't know Ram at all. We don't know Ram at all. Or you can say, we have no idea who Ram is. We have no idea who Ram is. वो अपने सपनों को साकार करेगा. He will fulfill his dreams. He will fulfill his dreams. ये कहानियाँ मुझे पसंद नहीं। I don't like these stories. I don't like these stories. वो दोनों हमें क्या सिखाएंगे? What will they both teach us? What will they both teach us? हमने गलती नहीं की। We didn't make a mistake. We didn't make a mistake. वो हकला रहा था। He was stammering. He was stammering. वह आजकल मौज में है। He is enjoying these days. He is enjoying these days. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो खत्म ना हो। Nothing is immortal. Nothing is immortal. वो काफ़ी समय से यहाँ है। He has been here for a long. He has been here for a long. वो मेरे पीछे पीछे फिर रहा है। He is running after me. He is running after me. अपना हिसाब कर लो। Clear your accounts. Clear your accounts. नीले पेन से मत लिखिए। Don't write with a blue pen. Don't write with a blue pen. उसे मेरी ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है। He might need me. He might need me. क्या उसने मुझे फ़ोन करने दिया? Did he let me phone? Did he let me phone? उसने मुझे कभी रोने नहीं दिया। He never let me cry. He never let me cry. मैंने भी आने नहीं दिया। Even I didn't let come. Even I didn't let come. बॉस मुझे सोचने तक नहीं देते। Boss doesn't even let me think. Boss doesn't even let me think. यहाँ लोग मुझे चैन से जीने नहीं देते। People here don't let me live peacefully. People here don't let me live peacefully.